Children's Dimetapp is proven to relieve coughs and other cold symptoms
Look,
fast.
there's me.
With the sweet grape flavor, kids do great. It's a sick day solution. Dimetapp, your stress-less sick day solution.
That is you. Mia, you are famous.
I can't believe it was today. It's like the 7th day we tried.
We tried to watch it. I know. That's funny. That is funny. Now look, there's a Geico. Now we're back to King of the Hill. How funny is that?
We watched this on Daddy.
Did we? Okay.